Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see how to install DataGrip in your Windows operating system and how to connect any database here and how to run and write here any SQL query. Okay. So before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to open your favorite browser and search for DataGrip and visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.jetbrings.com. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page where, as you can see, DataGrip is a mini database in one tools. Okay, so for download this, you can click here download, or you can go for this, which is top of the website. Okay, so just simply click on the download, and once you click on it, it will open the download page. And at the time making this video, the DataGrip version is 2020.2, and for install this, here is the system requirement, which say it needs 64-bit version of Windows, 2 GB free RAM, and 2.5 gigabyte hard disk free space. Okay, so as you can see at the top of the download option, you can see here DataGrip is not a free software, it's a paid software. But don't worry about it. In this video, we are going to activate this DataGrip with our JetBrains free license account. Okay. So if you want to create a free license account in jetbrings.com, you need to visit the link in the description below, where I show you how you can create a free license account in jetbrings.com. Okay. So for download this application, you need to click on the download. And as you can see, here is our download widget, where as you can see, it's around 375.30 MB. Just start the download, and our download is complete. So once our download is complete, just open the folder, and here is our DataGrip exe file. So for install this, you need to double click on it. And once you double click on it, it will show you this kind of installation widget, where it say welcome to DataGrip setup. Just simply choose here next option, and here is the installation location or destination folder where our DataGrip is installed. If you want, you can change here, but I don't want to change. Then just again choose here next, and then it will show you the installation option, where you need to check mark some of checkbox. Just click here as like me, which is going to create a desktop shortcut, update your context menu, create your association, and update your path variable in our environment variable. Okay, so after that, you need to choose here again next option, and here is the choose your start menu folder. I just set it as by default, and choose here install. And as you can see, our installation is started. And once our installation is complete, it will show you a message which is your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of DataGrip. So at this point, you need to restart or reboot your PC. So just simply choose here reboot now to complete the installation, and choose here finish. Then it will automatically restart your PC. Okay. So once our restart is complete, now it's time to open our DataGrip. Just double click on the DataGrip icon. So once you double click on it, it will show you this kind of message, which say import DataGrip settings. I just simply choose here do not import settings. and choose here OK, and it will automatically open our DataGrip. So once you open the DataGrip, it will show you this kind of license widget where you need to activate your DataGrip, or you can start trial. Okay, but I have a JetBrains free license account, so I just activate the DataGrip with our JetBrains free license account. Okay, so for doing this, just choose your activate DataGrip and get license from JB account, and choose here login to JetBrains account. Okay, now it will open the browser and tell you to log in your JetBrains account which have free license. Okay, so I just simply log in my free license account, and as you can see, authorization is successful. That means our data grip is activate with our free license account. So now I just simply close the browser and choose here activate, and our activation is successful. And here is the subscription date. Now choose here continue. So now what you need to do, so for connect any database or run any SQL query, you need to create here a new project. Just click here new project and give here your project name and click on OK. So this is the interface of DataGrip. So for run any SQL query, first you need to connect any database here. For doing this, you need to go to the plus icon and choose here data source. So from the data source, you can choose here any kind of database, as you can see here. So before you choose here any database or SQL, first you need to ensure that this database or SQL must be installed in your Windows operating system. Otherwise, you cannot use this database by using the DataGrip. Okay, so make sure that you already install this database which you choose here. Okay, so I am going to choose here PostgreSQL, which I already installed my Windows operating system. And if you want to know how to install the PostgreSQL, don't worry about it. Check out the link in the description below where I show you the process how you can properly install the PostgreSQL. Okay, so I just choose here Postgres, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of page where you need to set up the PostgreSQL. So for doing this, you need to check the port number, which you can see when you install the PostgreSQL, and give here the right password, which you give when you install the PostgreSQL. Okay. So without the correct port number or correct password, you cannot connect the PostgreSQL with our DataGrip. So make sure that the port number and password is correct. So verify the port number and password. You can check your connection. So if our test connection is succeed, that means our password and port number is correct. Okay. So after that, just click on the OK. And here is the interface, as you can see, which is connect our Postgres at the rate localhost. So now we can write here any type of SQL query. Okay. So first I write here a create database query. Just simply write here create database and your database name. You can give here any kind of name which you want. I just name it Sazid DB. And for run this, just click on the this option which is execute. And as you can see, our Sazid DB is completely created. Okay. So now I just write here to create a table. For doing this, just write here this query which is create table and your table name. Then start the first bracket and first bracket close. And in the first bracket, you write here your column name or entity name which you want. I just write here first entity is user ID. which type I set here integer. Then I give here name, which type I set here varchar, and length I set here 250. Then I give here phone number entity. I also give the type is varchar. And for execute this query, just again go to the run option or execute option and choose here fast statement. And as you can see, it's completely create our user table. Okay. So now I insert some of values in our user table. Okay. So for doing this, just write here this query, which is insert into, then your table name, and start the first bracket, and in the first bracket just write here again your table entity or table column name, which is user id, name, phone number. And for add the value, just write here values, and again start the first bracket, and inside the first bracket you need to give here your column values. Okay. So after enter the values, just again go to the run option and again choose here first statement. And as you can see, it successfully insert our values in our user table. So for show the table, what you need to do, you need to write here this query, which is select start from your table name, and again run this query. Okay. And as you can see, here is our user table output, and it successfully update our values in this table. Okay. So I hopefully guys you understand how to properly install the DataGrip in your Windows operating system, and how to connect any database here, and also how to create here any database, a table, and how to insert the value on this table. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in this next video, inshallah. Thank you so much.